Hey everyone, today let's dive into the world of Monero, one of the most secretive cryptocurrencies out there. So, what is Monero? Monero, or XMR, is a decentralized open-source cryptocurrency launched in April 2014. Unlike Bitcoin, Monero focuses on privacy, security, and untraceability. That means every transaction is confidential and anonymous by default. Let's break down some key principles of Monero. First up, privacy. Monero hides the sender, receiver, and the amount involved in every transaction. Fungibility is next. All Monero coins are equal with no traceable history, making them truly interchangeable. Decentralization is another big one. Anyone with a CPU can mine Monero, no need for specialized hardware, and of course security. Strong cryptography ensures the network's safety and integrity. Now let's talk core technologies. Ring signatures hide the sender by mixing their transaction with others, making it impossible to pinpoint who initiated it. Stealth addresses generate a unique one-time address for every transaction, hiding the receiver. Ring confidential transactions, or Ring CT, encrypt the transaction amount, a mandatory feature since 2017. And Dandelion++, it obscures the origin of a transaction on the network layer, hiding the sender's IP address. On to mining. Monero uses the RandomX algorithm, which promotes CPU mining and makes ASIC mining ineffective. With a block time of about 2 minutes and a tail emission of 0.6 XMR per block, Monero encourages decentralized mining. What about Monero's supply? Unlike Bitcoin's fixed cap, Monero has a tail emission to ensure sustainable rewards. Since May 2022, the main emission reached around 18.4 million XMR. Monero's use cases are vast, from private transactions and crowdfunding to bypassing censorship and yes, even darknet marketplaces. However, Monero faces regulatory challenges due to its anonymity. It's been delisted from some exchanges and often criticized by regulators. For wallets, you've got options like the official GUI CLI wallet, Monero for Android, Feather wallet for desktop, and Cake wallet for iOS and Android. How does Monero differ from Bitcoin? Monero is private by default, CPU-friendly, and has ongoing tail emissions. Unlike Bitcoin's public ledger, ASIC-dominated mining, and fixed supply. Finally, Monero's community is decentralized with strong developer support and frequent updates. For more resources, check out the official website, Monero Explorer, Reddit community, and Moneropedia. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of Monero? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto content. See you next time.